I am the polar bear. My strength is born of endurance. I walk the edge of ice and patience. The cold sharpens my awareness. I teach balance in a fragile world. They can smell prey through the ice from over a mile away. Polar bears are powerful swimmers. They can swim for days across icy waters. Every step matters when the ground is changing. Listen, adaptation is an act of courage. Advice from a polar bear: live large, sniff out opportunities, learn some good icebreakers, be thick-skinned, be fearless, appreciate long winter nights, keep it cool.